In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on OneDrive AutoSave, updated 2026 full guide. If you want your important files to be backed up automatically so they're safer and easier to access across your devices, turning on OneDrive AutoSave is a great option. This feature helps keep common folders like desktop, documents, and pictures synced to OneDrive, which means your files are continuously backed up while you work. It's especially useful if you want extra protection in case your computer has a problem, or you need to access your files from another device later. To get started, look at the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer and find the OneDrive Cloud icon. In many cases, it appears near the clock on the bottom right side of the screen. If you don't see it right away, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. From there, select Help and Settings, and then click Settings. This will open the OneDrive Settings window, where you can manage how syncing and backup work on your computer. If your OneDrive is already signed in and running properly, you should be able to go straight to the available settings options. Next, open the Sync and Backup tab. This section is where OneDrive gives you access to backup-related controls, including folder protection. Inside this tab, click Manage Backup under Backup Folders. This will open the backup setup screen for your main personal folders. Now you can turn on backup for desktop, documents, and pictures as needed. You don't have to enable all of them unless you want to. If you mainly store work files and documents or keep important images and pictures, you can choose the folders that make the most sense for your setup. When these folders are backed up, new and existing files in them will sync automatically to OneDrive. After making your selections, save the changes. In some cases, OneDrive may ask you to restart the app so the new backup settings can be applied correctly. If prompted, go ahead and restart OneDrive. Once everything is turned on, AutoSave should be active for the folders you selected. Going forward, files saved in those locations will be backed up automatically, helping you keep your data more secure and up to date. If this guide helped you, you can always revisit these same settings later to adjust which folders are being backed up.